Welcome to the repair of Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and I'll show you that the device comes with the charger brick inside the box. So let's first open the box here, and now we can see that our device comes with the charger brick. I can just do this unfortunately, but we can see here that this is the Xiaomi original charger brick. So with all of the specs here, we can check it later if you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.